Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to copy and paste in Adobe Illustrator on iPad. So first what you need to do is select your object in your layer, go to the scissors icon and click on copy, and then you go to the layers panel and select the layer you want to paste it on, and then go back to the scissors icon and select paste. And as you can see, it's pasted on the other layer. There's also another way you can do this, and I'm going to show you that now. What you can do is duplicate your object, and then what you can do is drag it into the layer that you want it to be in, like this. And that's it, guys. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments and I'll get back to you. Okay, I'll see you on the next one.